morning, students. Today I am going to start lesson number 6, Who I Am, from your Honeysuckle textbook in English. In this lesson, we look at what we are like and how each of us is different. We are all interesting people in different ways, and we are all good at different things. As you read this, think about what you are like and what you enjoy doing. But in this lesson, we learn that all the people on earth are different. जितने भी people हैं earth पे सारे different हैं. Every individual is different. We all are interesting people in different ways. We all have different interests. We all have different needs. The author is trying to say that no one on this earth is same. Each of them has their own needs, has their own desires, has their own interest, has their own issues. Now, beta, जो author है, the author makes his point by describing 6 persons. First one is Radha, second person is Nasir, third is Rohit, fourth is Sarabjit, next one is Dolma, and last one is Peter. Now beta, we see what these 6 persons, these 6 boys and girls likes, think and plan about the future. See the first one, Radha. My favorite activity is climbing trees. Just outside our house, there is a mango tree which I love to go up. Its branches spread out, so it is simple to climb up the tree. And I can sit comfortably in the fork of 2 branches. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees. But one afternoon, she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. But a fork means division into 2 parts में divide. बेटा जो राधा थी, Radha's favorite activity is climbing trees. Climbing trees means trees के ऊपर चढ़ना. There is a mango tree outside Radha's house. राधा के घर के outside एक उसमें mango tree था. And she often climbs the mango tree. She loves to climb it. और जो tree की branches थी, the branches of the mango tree spread out wide. बहुत ज़्यादा फैली हुई थी. So, it is simple for Radha to climb up the tree. वो आराम से उसके ऊपर चढ़ सकती थी. And she sits on the branches comfortably. Her mother, जो राधा की mother थी, she doesn't like Radha climbing up the tree. But one afternoon, she also climbed up with her daughter Radha. And both of them enjoyed sitting and talking and eating raw mangoes. बेटा जो राधा थी, Radha feels good when she is high up on the tree. She feels like she can rule the whole world. Clear? Next is Nasir. When I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants, which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. जो बेटा नासिर था, नासिर wants to be a seed collector when he grows up. बेटा seed collector means जो बीज को collect करता है. Seed means बीज, collector means इकट्ठा करना, जो बीज को इकट्ठा करते हैं. और बिकॉज क्यों वो सीड कलेक्टर बनना चाहता था? बिकॉज हिज फादर हैज़ कॉटन फील्ड्स. उसके फादर की कॉटन फील्ड्स थी इन द विलेज. एंड एवरी ईयर हिज फादर हैज़ टू बाय सीड्स टू ग्रो कॉटन. हर साल उसके जो फादर थे वो बीज को बाय करते थे. एंड उसको रिमेंबर था, उसको याद था, ही रिमेंबर्स कि वंस हिज ग्रैंड फादर, जो उसके ग्रैंड फादर थे, टोल्ड हिम, उसको उन्होंने बताया था कि ही यूज टू कलेक्ट सीड्स फ्रॉम हिज ऑन प्लांट विच वर यूज टू ग्रो न्यू प्लांट्स. कि वो अपने ही प्लांट से सीड्स को कलेक्ट करते थे और जिनको वो दोबारा न्यू प्लांट्स के लिए यूज़ करते थे. बट नाउ डेज अब क्या हो रहा था? इंस्टेड ऑफ कलेक्टिंग, हिज फादर हैज़ टू बाय द सीड्स. कलेक्ट करने की बजाय वो सीड्स जो थे, जो ग्रो करने, वो भी बाय करते थे. एंड सो नासिर, जो नासिर था, वो क्या चाहता था? ही वॉन्ट्स टू लर्न. क्या सीखना चाहता था? ही वॉन्ट्स टू लर्न हाउ टू प्रिजर्व सीड्स. कि इन सीड्स को कलेक्ट करके कैसे प्रिजर्व किया जाए, सो दैट वी कैन यूज देम अगेन एंड अगेन. कि हम दोबारा उसे यूज़ कर सके विदाउट स्पेंडिंग मनी, बिना पैसे खर्च किए. क्लियर? बेटा प्रिजर्व होता है किसी चीज़ को बचा के रखना. Next one is Rohit. If I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they looked beautiful in a magazine picture. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in the South America on a raft. I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. I suppose I should go to Konark Temple in Orissa or the old city in Beijing in China and the pyramids in Egypt too. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. जो बेटा रोहित था, firstly beta, huge amount of money. Huge means lot of money. Rohit wants to travel the world. पूरे वर्ल्ड में ट्रैवल करना चाहता था. बेटा he has a passion for traveling. He has a love for traveling. He wants to travel the world if he has a lot of money. कहता अगर उसके पास बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा हो तो वो he wants to travel the world and he wants to see the mountains of New Zealand and Amazon rivers in south. उसको क्या देखना था? वो न्यूजीलैंड, माउंटेन्स ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड एंड Amazon river in South America on a raft. बेटा राफ्ट जो है, राफ्ट means a simple boat. Raft. He also wishes to enjoy the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see the coral. बेटा coral means hard colored sea products, जो सी के अंदर प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं. And he wishes to go to Konark Temple in Orissa and old city in Beijing in China and pyramids in Egypt. He wants to travel But why he wants to travel? Because he wants to enjoy the nature more than the old buildings. He loves to nature. Clear?